Hello students, this video is for class 3. It is chapter 5. The topic of the chapter is important inventions. As we know that our life depends upon lots of machines, electronic devices and appliances. These machines and devices make our work easier and comfortable. It also save our time. Now here the question creating is that who invented these machines and how does he do that? A person who invent these things are called scientist. A scientist is the one who engaged in a systematic activity to acquire knowledge using the scientific method. Today we will learn here some scientists who invented some useful things. After reading the clues, we have to name them. इन्वेंशंस का मतलब होता है आविष्कार. आज हमारा जीवन अनेकों तरह के आविष्कार से भरा हुआ है. हम लोग रोज़ाना अपने दैनिक कार्य में अलग अलग मशीनों का, अलग अलग उपकरणों का यूज़ करते हैं और ये सारे मशीन्स, डिवाइसेस किसी न किसी ने इन्वेंट किया है और इस इन्वेंट के कारण हमारा हर काम बहुत ही आसानी से और आराम से हो जाता है. ये नए नए आविष्कारों के कारण ही हमारा बहुमूल्य समय बच जाता है, हमारा समय नष्ट नहीं होता है. आज इस चैप्टर में हम लोग कुछ इसी तरह के कुछ इन्वेंशंस और कुछ इन्वेंटर्स के बारे में जानेंगे. नंबर 1. She is the lady who discovered radioactivity. The lady who discovered the radioactivity, she is Marie Curie. He was the first to use the telescope. He was Galileo. Steam engine was invented by James Watt. The person who invented the steam engine, he was James Watt. This is the picture of James Watt. He is the man who invented the steam engine. This is the picture of Thomas Alva Edison, and he invented the light bulb. The light bulb was invented by Thomas Alva Edison. This is the picture of Albert Einstein, and he showed that light could also be described as particles that carry energy from one place to another. Albert Einstein showed that light could also be described as particles that carry energy from one place to another. This is the picture of Alexander Graham Bell. And Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. The first invention by man was a wheel. It made the life really easy for human beings. मनुष्य ने सबसे पहले अपने जीवन में व्हील का आविष्कार किया था और व्हील के आविष्कार से ही आज मनुष्य का जीवन बहुत ही आसान हो गया। तो इस चैप्टर में हम लोग देखेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द चैप्टर you can give the heading of the chapter, name them or rearrange. Okay, thank you.